Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for fire sign Sagittarius. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages for you Sagittarius. Let's see your messages Sagittarius. Judgment, Devil, Nine of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. So I think you are obsessed with something Sagittarius. The Devil is here, but Judgment, Nine of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Sagittarius, you are right now concentrating on your career, because Ace of Pentacles with the Nine of Cups, definitely you are concentrating on career. You are not concentrating on relationship right now. I am getting, because the Devil, I think in past few months or few years you are obsessed with some person, but right now you made some major decision in your life, or you are going to make some major decision. Ace of Pentacles with Nine of Cups, definitely you are now concentrating on your career or your financial abundance. Definitely you are concentrating on your career. You made some major decision, I think, in recent past, or you are going to make some major decision, Sagittarius. So let's see some more. I think for some, you are your person in separation. There is no contact between both of you, Sagittarius. Yeah, the Sun. You made good decision, definitely, and that decision will make this positive outcome. What's popping up? Ace of Wands, the Star. Wow. And Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think your person playing some mind games with you. Definitely Seven of Swords. You are fed up with that energy and that games, whatever, because the one person who put lot of energy in this connection is you, definitely. So that's why now you want to give up on this connection. You start a new life, a brand new beginning in your life again. You are now concentrating on your career. You are prioritizing yourself. You are loving yourself more than any person. Very positive reading for you, Sagittarius. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Some cycles endings. Justice. Yeah, Libra. You cut them. You cut the person. Six of Swords. And the World. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, there is separation between both of you, and you or definitely cut them off. And Justice. For some, your person wants second chance with you. This could be long distance relationship also. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to, Sagittarius. Your person energy, possibilities. Two of Wands. They are thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance relationship. The Rebel, Emperor. So the last card in the deck is Traveling, Eight of Wands. So they want to communicate you. And Beyond Illusion means High Priestess. So their spiritual awakening. Projection, Seven of Cups. Definitely they are fantasizing about you a lot. They want to communicate to you, and they are spiritually awakening about this connection, and they want to commit you, but maturity under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. Now they want to offer this commitment to you, but you don't want this offer anymore, because you fed up with that energy and with that mind games. Now you want a new beginning in your life without that person, and you want to concentrate on your career. Courage. Yeah, they are gaining their strength to come back to you. It's up to you, Sagittarius. So one more card for the connection. The Tower. Yes, the connection. further connection, the Tower moment, definitely there is separation between both of you. And the second, King of Pentacles, now your person wants stability, but you don't want that stability. Ace of Swords, yeah, they want to communicate you some truth coming out, but you already made decision that you want to move on from your person and you want to concentrate on your career. This is very positive reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.